Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos, so if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So in today's video, it's gonna be a pretty chill paint with me chatty video, and I'm also announcing the giveaway winner in this video, so stay tuned until the end of the video to see if you have won. You can skip till the end of the video if you want to find out if you have won. But I wanted to talk a bit about some stuff in this video about feeling unhappy with the art that you are making. So that is something I have been going through for several months now, I would say. And I guess the reason for that is that I keep having to make content for Instagram and YouTube and Patreon, and I kind of feel I've lost the whole joy of creating art. I realized this when I painted my last illustration for Patreon. I was kind of really tired when I did it, and it was a struggle to finish it actually, and it wasn't an enjoyable process, which didn't used to happen to me. So, not feeling content with my artwork, I decided to kind of take a break from filming everything I'm making, so there might be fewer videos in the future. I'm not sure yet, but I want to focus more on creating stuff that I want and that I love making. I want to focus more on creating new things. I've been painting animals a lot and plants, and I want to try out new things like portraits and get outside my box a little bit and explore my illustration style a bit. I feel it has been stagnant for quite a while, and I'm not pleased with that, and I have to change something in order to improve my illustration basically and my skills. And creating artwork just for social media is definitely not the way to go. I feel you can get trapped in this vortex of social media where you have to create as much as possible and sometimes things can get really stagnant and boring. So that's what I feel is happening with me. I had another video planned for this, but I didn't want to upload that because I was really not happy with the illustration, so I decided to upload this paint with me kind of video where I paint my favorite art supplies, just as a reminder that I love painting, and I'm really happy with the way this illustration came out, and I think I will be making some stickers with it. But anyways, I do want to focus more on the drawing part and less on the filming and editing, and also creating new products that I love and I am proud to present to you. So yeah, this is what has been going on through my mind lately. Let me know if you have been in this situation, how you have dealt with it. It's probably some sort of burnout, but I'm trying to think of ways to make myself excited again about painting, because that is what is lacking in my painting process. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's not a big downer talking about these things, but these things happen to artists, I guess, and it's nice to take a step back and refocus your energy. I would love to hear from you in the comments, and stay tuned until the end of the painting to see who wins the giveaway. I will be contacting the winner through email and creating the pet portrait next week and sending it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!